Eliminex here. We caught a raccoon in the attic this morning. Usually I never put traps in the attic, but we put one in there just to monitor what was going on up there. We already caught all the raccoons on the outside and didn't hear any more activity for about a week or two, and decided to put a trap in the attic after I did the full seal up just to make sure. And sure enough, like 2 days later, I must have blocked one in, and this one got caught. It's a pretty good size, so he must have been trapped in there as soon as I buttoned up the last part of the house. This thing's pretty destructive. There was like a shop light. Luckily it wasn't plugged in, and I dragged the trap a couple feet into the attic and got a hold of the wiring somehow and dragged it in there, so I couldn't separate it. So we got this trap safely out of the house with no damage, and I'm going to release it right now. Oh, oh great, it's stuck. Haha. It made a mess. Can't get this lanyard off. Plus it tries to scratch at me. I can't even open the trap. I was afraid of that. Okay, here we go. There we go. There he goes. Into the woods, gonna find a tree. He's long gone. They run first and then hide, and then when the coast is clear, they'll find a adequate spot. And this is the first thing in the morning. It's perfect time to let them go. It snowed like 5 days ago. They would have been fine. All right, that's success.